Hi everyone. I just wanted to give you a little quick guide through our class. When you open Canvas, you will see our home page right in the middle of the screen. And I wanted to just guide you through some of these things over here. You can click on the syllabus, so I highly recommend reading through that and seeing what the expectations are. You'll see over here there's a calendar, and I tried to schedule all of the due dates to be in a pattern, so for the most part they are 2 days a week that you'll have things due. The best thing you can do when you are going through the class and navigating it is to start at the modules. I know there's lots of little buttons and things to click on, but if you want to really understand what's happening in the class, click on the modules. And when you click on the modules, you will see an overview of what's happening in the entire class. So you'll see that this is our orientation that will be due the first week of class, and you'll need to complete those items in order to move on. So each module has a prerequisite. If you can't access the module, it's probably because you didn't finish something prior. So once you finish the module, it unlocks the key for the next module. So you can scroll through and see all of those different options. Periodically throughout the course, you might hear Dr. Elisa Cooper's voice. She helped to design the class, and she created some podcasts and some videos, and it's amazing, so why not include those? So from time to time, you'll hear her voice as well. And there's a couple other things that I wanted to show you. Obviously, you can click on grades and see your grades in the class. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact me. I also wanted to show you this help over here on the main Canvas page. There's a lot of different places you can get help. You can send me a message. This is Canvas support. The Canvas guides are really, really helpful. If you click on that, you could ask it a question. How do I upload a video? How do I change my profile picture? And if there's ever anything you wanted to know how to do in Canvas, click that Canvas guide. I think that will be helpful for you if you need anything. Obviously, I'm always around if you need help as well. And they've just added a new tutoring link, which I think is very exciting. We do have two different ways that you can obtain tutoring. One is one-on-one in person, which is through the Center for Learning. And since you're an online student, you might like this Brain Fuse idea. It's not just centered to English. It is all subjects. So if you have an essay that you have to submit for another class, you could submit it to Brain Fuse and get some help. Or if you need any other tutoring, they can offer online tutoring and go in a chat with you and help you with anything you need. So again, don't feel afraid to click around, and definitely ask questions when you have them. And the first week or so, it's figuring things out, and then after that, you'll find your groove. Most people are pretty successful in this class, so just don't forget to stay on top of your work. Go to the modules because everything is in chronological order, and reach out if you have any questions. My office is in High Tech 2, 108, and you can always message me through Canvas as well. And I look forward to hearing from you. Good luck.